Guys, hope you are doing well today. Today is 5th of September and the crypto market is continuing to going higher and higher. The Bitcoin dominance is just decreasing. Altcoins are pumping. The market looks overall bullish and we are facing maybe a turning point that September will be green for Bitcoin. So I'm Mike Denkler from CorionX, and we are bringing you the most important crypto news every day with some technical analysis, altcoin gems, NFTs, and DeFi. So let's smash the like and share my screen and check our favorite bubble chart and see how the market is performing today. And as you see, few altcoins, XEC and Axis Infinity, are we just dumping, but they went up much in the past few days, and others are just popping like Filecoin, almost 30%, Quant 30%, Compound 10%, Internet Computer 14, 16, and also we got some signs from Phantom last week. Luna, Algorand, Sushi, GRT, Talcon, Qtum, Atom, Link, Litecoin. So all overall looks really bullish, and also Bitcoin is consolidating about 50,000. That's a good sign, and also Ethereum is just hovering between 4,000 and 3,900. So let's get and check the crypto fear and greed index, and we are at 73. So we are in the greed zone, just two number away from the extreme greed. And as you know, we spent almost 3 months in the extreme fear territory, and now we are getting back to the greed zone. And as you know, when there is fear on the market, investors are worrying that it's a good buying opportunity, but the market is getting very, very greedy that due for a correction. But now we are here for just 2 weeks, so hopefully we will have more time to ride these bull waves. So let's go to our first news and see what we have here. Reading September, Bitcoin price hopes to break the slump trend. Despite BTC lackluster performance in September, historically, 2021 could be an outlier to this trend if current market momentum persists. Okay, so as you know, most of the time, Septembers are a bearish months for Bitcoin, almost 10% average down in the prices. But let's see if this September will be different. Okay, so historically, September has been one of the more lackluster months for BTC. A look at the monthly price data since 2013 reveals that the token has posted positive gains in September twice in 8 years, in 2015 and 2016, with a maximum of 6%, which could be considered to be almost flat. Okay, so September is historical Bitcoin's worst performing month. That said, it has been verging on 50,000 US dollar for the past 3 weeks or so now. Should Bitcoin stage a breakout above this psychologically significant milestone, it could renew investor interest and spark the momentum needed to carry it at all the way back to 60,000. Okay, so that looks really bullish for Bitcoin. If it will overcome this 51,000 resistance, that we might see a nice run up towards 60,000. The move from 50,000 to 60,000 is likely to be much faster than the current move between 40 to 50,000. Okay, according to the Plan B stock-to-flow model, the Bitcoin price is supposed to have gone past 100,000 to exchange hands around the 105,000 mark. So the stock to flow model deviation from January 2017 projected to January 2026. So let's check this. So you see that Bitcoin, the actual Bitcoin price deviated from the average, and also this is how Bitcoin make 10 times profit in every, let's say, 4 years. So in every 4 years, it's going from 10,000 to 100,000, from 1,000 to 10,000. So this is how it looks like. And what else do we have? Okay, so given the current sentiment and long-term fundamentals, it is not out of question for BTC to hit $100,000 by December, especially since October and November have historically been big months for Bitcoin. They could easily set it up and touch 100,000 by mid-September before any corrections. So guys, maybe after hitting this $51,000, then Bitcoin will just shooting up to 100,000 and not looking back to the lower levels. Yes, also Solana posting 74% gains, Ethereum 26, ADA 15. Okay, it is important to understand how ETH and other altcoins are able to compete with BTC for the money of new investors, and how those who have been on the market for a long time can behave. Crypto mass adoption cannot be achieved without the prosperity of altcoins. Many market participants believe that at the current price level, it is the value of altcoins that is more prone to a multiply increase. So altcoin boom may prevent Bitcoin from the 100,000. So now altcoins are pumping much faster and higher than Bitcoin. And also the Bitcoin dominance is falling. So we might, and if you can do more profits with altcoins, then definitely you should take profits in Bitcoin, not in fiat. But nothing on this channel can be considered as a financial advice. Everything just for education and entertainment. Okay, so what else do we have? The gradual recovery of institutional interest in cryptocurrency is already obvious. Positive news about SpaceX investments in Bitcoin, the network upgrade of Ethereum in August, and Cardano in September. All of these neutralizes the bear market of May and June and strengthens the confidence of market participants in further growth. So, so the sentiment is really bullish, and we have good news coming out. Our next piece of news, that Bloomberg report says that Bitcoin at 100,000 is path of least resistance. So we will see Bitcoin going up to 100,000 hopefully in this year, according to Bloomberg. And this is the path of least resistance, as well as established itself as a global reserve asset. Okay, so this is the most important part, guys. So establish itself as the global reserve asset. Okay, liquidity or available assets suitable to become the world's reserve currency. Yes. The dollars moved then 300% advance versus peers since President Richard Nixon ended the gold peg in 1971. Is evidence the greenback is the least worst currency, but we believe Bitcoin represents the digital future, the report said. Okay. Bitcoin may have solved the age-old problem of a global reserve asset that easily transportable and the transactionable, has a 24/7 price discovery, is relatively scarce, and it's nobody liability or project, the report said. Okay. So central bank balance sheets are increasing, money printing and quantitative easing going forward, and that is why also the equity market is booming, and we are experiencing a digitized economy also with NFTs and with other stuff. And also it's correlated to this news, they're almost the same, but on another channel. Bloomberg Senior Strategist calls Bitcoin a global reserve asset on the path to 100,000. So that sounds really bullish for me. Crypto assets appear in a revived and refreshed bull market, with the second half of the year benefit of a steep discount from previous highs at the start, wrote Maglone. Referring to the second half of 2021, portfolios of some combination of gold and bonds appear increasingly naked, without some Bitcoin and Ethereum joining the mix. A macro risk of decline is a primary threat for the crypto bull market. We foresee a future Bitcoin, the digital reserve asset, complementing the dollar reserve currency. So guys, this is really, really important. They foresee a future of Bitcoin, the digital reserve asset, complementing the dollar reserve currency. So I think this is the most important things, not the price prediction, but how these big financial analyst companies are seeing Bitcoin as a global reserve asset. Okay. Bitcoin's most passionate supporters have long argued that the cryptocurrency would mature to become a global reserve asset. Their conviction stems for Bitcoin's superior monetary policy in an era where central banks have inflated the money supply, contributing to wealth inequality and higher prices for goods, services, and assets. So, guys, Bitcoin and crypto fixes this. Also, JP Morgan, BlackRock, and all other big Wall Street giants are entering crypto. And the cryptocurrency total market cap reached $2.4 trillion during Friday's highs. So let's go to our next news. Cardano plans to showcase tech across African continent after Ethiopian deal. Yes, so Cardano really wants to spread out in Africa, and they already negotiated with Ethiopia. They will digitize Ethiopia's education industry, putting their diplomas on the Cardano blockchain. And just listen to this. We are doing a roadshow in October. So Charles and myself and few other people from the team will be going around. I think around 7 or 8 countries at the moment. We are meeting with some of the top level officials, senior government officials, presidents who are interested in seeing more about our identity solution. Yes, some of them are interested in central bank digital currency, CBDCs. Some of them are interested in remittance and microfinance opportunities. So really what they have been trying to do is start to put together a toolbox of what blockchain can do for you as a nation state. So for us, it's really going to have to be around handing over the torch from input-output towards something that more scalable. Input-output is the developer company of Cardano. We have these high-level targets. We want 100 million users using Atala Prism. So 100 million users. We want these many nation states using our system. We want a Cardano nation where all infrastructure is built on Cardano in a single country. So they want infrastructure building on Cardano and countries using this. Okay, if we want to scale, then we have to start engaging a broader community, and it has just be us anymore. So these are good plans. So definitely we should follow up. And I see more and more Cardano related news coming out. It was also news, but now it's releasing again. And there was a Cardano FUD during the weekend. Cardano founder deals with cryptocurrency FUD, a second Japanese exchange list area. So now AD is listed in Japan on the second exchanges. Okay, so there was something that going around. Okay, IOHK is doing the developments. So there we have it since Cardano testnet now officially supports Bluetooth smart contracts, finally testing integrations ahead. Yes, and there was some FUD going around here that The public testnet is live. MinSwap is the first app on Cardano public testnet. Cardano has arrived. Okay, use our testnet. You may see error messages UTXO used in this code. So few people complain that there is something going wrong with the Cardano smart contracts, but they answered it and they fixed it, so nothing to worry on this. Our next piece of news is mainstream crypto adoption is happening right now. Reese Witherspoon buys Ethereum. Paris Hilton shows love for Bitcoin. Okay, nice. Reese Witherspoon, she bought Bitcoin, just bought my first ETH, so not Bitcoin, but ETH. Let's do this crypto Twitter. So she shared it on Twitter. Also, I replied to this tweet, quoting also CorionX. The actress took it to Twitter to highlight her first purchase of Ethereum. So she is a US actress, producer, and entrepreneur, Academy Award winner, Golden Globe Awards winner. And also Paris Hilton posting posting here that he loves Bitcoin. Also Michael Saylor posting diamonds, maybe your best friend, but Bitcoin is forever. Okay, nice. Who else has joined the crypto bandwagon? Yeah, we see other celebrities like Arya Stark from Game of Thrones, and also the YouTuber KSI, Busta Rhymes, Mike Tyson, and Elon Musk, Jack Dorsey, Cathy Wood, and many others. So good to see that these celebs are coming in crypto, and they are also promoting. They have millions of followers. So with this post, these millions of followers also will research what is Ethereum, what is Bitcoin, and how they can on the bandwagon. So guys, let's check the Bitcoin and other coins price. Wow, we see Bitcoin at 50,800 and also trying to break this 51,000, but during weekends not a single resistance break can be considered for valid, but definitely it's a nice run up here what we see on this hourly candle. And also you see here that Bitcoin really trying to break this 51,000 levels. So now we are here again and forming this just several times there was an attempt to break this. So that would be nice if it would break tomorrow, not today, because then while we are on the weekend, that may be not a good follow through, but definitely tomorrow Bitcoin should break this, and then we can see going to the higher of 58,000 and 60,000 levels. In the meantime, Bitcoin dominance is falling, so even Bitcoin is pumping now. You see Bitcoin dominance is falling. If you are checking the daily chart, so came down from end of July, it was at 48, and just now we are around 41. So every day Bitcoin losing some percentage, and altcoins are pumping. And as we see, ADA is doing well, coming back to $3, and if we are considering this as a channel, that it should broke up very soon, and as news will come out, maybe it will broke up and then just consolidating after. Binance coin is really on the verge to break this $500 level. So now 1, 2, 3, 4. So almost 7 days that try to break. Hopefully today or tomorrow it will happen. And also altcoin moves can be considered also during a weekend as a real move. Compound is pumping well, also trying to break this resistance as 510. Yeah, DOT also moving after breaking this horizontal level. EOS is pumping well. EOS getting bullish as getting closer to launch the bullish exchange. And GBTC, and this is a grayscale. Bitcoin share, yes, also up. Holochain, yeah, starting to break up here. Nice ICP. Oh yeah, ICP looks really horrible if just with this dump. Okay, so ICP now, okay, also breaking this resistance, so looks good for me. And then we can go to visit previous highs because ICP just dumped really deep. Link up 10%, trying to break up here. Nice movement is expected. Litecoin did a nice run up on Friday, also moving forward and breaking up here. Matic rallied yesterday. Now today is consolidating, so maybe it's a good time to re-enter, or if you don't have any position, just enter Matic. Solana, Solana consolidating, so it reached 150 and now coming back. Now we are at 137. Nice movement from Theta, also trying to break up here. Uniswap, WeChain also looks really bullish for me. XLM is really flat against Bitcoin, and Ethereum is consolidating, and we are moving in this channel, and hopefully we will visit this 4,100 zone, and that is the upper trend line of this rising channel. Axis Infinity rallied yesterday. Today is correcting, consolidating a little bit. And also Atom doing really well. I see huge opportunity in Atom and the Atom ecosystem. 1 inch doing well, also trying to break. So almost they have similar chart. Not similar. So 1 inch looks really bullish. So if you are looking for altcoins to trade, look these kind of structures where even the coin is in the consolidation or seems bottomed out, or before breaking resistance or broke resistance, and then you can enjoy this nice run up to new all-time highs. So guys, you should definitely check out our yield farms and DeFi apps. Also, we have farms running on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. You can provide liquidity in CorionX Ethereum and ETH pair, and then earn up to 330% staking your liquidity tokens. And also we have also DeFi on Binance Smart Chain. We have a bridge, so also you can purchase with BNB some CorionX, and you can go to our farm and earn these nice farming rewards. Okay, so we are working on few developments. We will announce any release when it's launched, so not before, because things going really slow in the crypto world, but we are here and we are moving forward. So that's it for today. Please smash the like, push the bell, notification all, subscribe on the channel, share with your friends, and appreciate that you are here. Great having you here, and let's see you tomorrow. Enjoy your day. Have an amazing week.